Hi, this is Laura Garza, and I'm here with Gary Martin, our training program manager. And even more importantly, he's the host and instructor of one of our awesome upcoming courses, Essentials in Scheduling and Dispatch for Business Aviation. Gary, can you tell us a little bit about this course?
Sure. This is a 2-day virtual interactive course that we've had great success with. And we're going to be discussing all topics that are associated with completing a business aviation trip. This can include weather, flight planning, scheduling, weight and balance. The list can go on, but it's a great course and everyone should definitely be looking for it.
Nice. All of it. Awesome. Well, besides enhancing your knowledge and becoming an aviation guru, what are some other benefits for taking this course?
Well, it's a great review for everybody. It increases and reinforces knowledge that you may or may not have. And this is going to lead to more efficient and more economical decisions in the flight operations. It also, another big benefit for the course is this is an NBAA PDP certified course, and you will earn Certified Aviation Manager CAM credits for completing this course.
Oh, perfect. Okay. And who can register for the course?
Anybody in aviation is eligible to register for this course. It doesn't matter if you have 0 years of experience or many years of experience. The course is meant to be interactive. We like our participants to share their experiences in business aviation, and we look for everybody to learn and come away with something by taking this course.
Awesome. Well, if you're interested in learning more about the course, or if you're ready to enroll, you can visit our website. If you have any questions, you can also email Gary. We hope to see you in class. Thanks so much.
Bye, everybody. Look forward to seeing you soon.